Flowers on Her Hair, Book in Her Hand by Claudia Tremblay in size 43 by 60 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with labradorite that are sprinkled on the green areas on the painting. So this would be mainly on the leaves on her hair, together with the leaves that are falling onto the book and around her. So sprinkle it in those green areas. Flowers on Her Hair, Book in Her Hand by Claudia Tremblay, 43 by 60 cm rounds. Special treatment version 2 now adds magenta crystals that we've sprinkled on the red areas on the painting. So this would be on the red flowers on her hair. So simply sprinkle your magenta crystals in these areas. Flowers on Her Hair, Book in Her Hand by Claudia Tremblay in size 43 by 60 cm rounds. Special treatment version 3 now adds electric diamonds that we have sprinkled on the gears on her hair. It's like a hair accessory. That's the white area over there. So simply sprinkle the electric diamonds in that area and it will give this painting a really nice sparkle.